Hi, Mirrors back here with another video on WordPress for the SEO 2018 basics for beginners. And in this video, I will talk about a theme that we still haven't installed a theme that we want on our WordPress installation. We have the pre-installed theme, which is a theme that is there like a default theme when you install WordPress, and it's the theme by Automatic, the creators of WordPress. But we don't want that theme because there will be like millions of websites and using that theme. We want something that will suit our expectations or needs. So it really depends in this situation now what you intend to do with your website. If it's the money side, or if it's some client's website, or some website that you want to use for some other purpose than the backlinking or private blog network, you might want to really think about what is it that you do and what kind of theme would suit your needs the best. But in this case, I am using this site just for the showcase and test purposes now, and later on I will use it as a PBN. But so I don't need any fancy theme or any specific theme. There is only one specific thing that I want about the theme, and that is kind of critical, and it is the layout of the theme. It has to be the blog layout to gain the most out of our PBN, our backlinking. And I will explain this a little bit later. And then I will talk about the content a little bit, which will be the huge big section, because content is I believe the content is one of the most important parts when it comes down to the proper SEO and online marketing. Without the content, without mastering the content section, which means everything that you're gonna show on your website, offers, say, anything like that. If you can't master this, you will struggle kind of with online marketing and SEO, because as we know, that Google is very sophisticated, and not just Google, the people searching in the Google are getting sophisticated. They want to find good high value content. They want to find the right information they are looking for, and they don't like the crappy content around, same as Google doesn't like it, because it doesn't do the good user experience for the people. Okay, so let's dive in a little bit, and let's install the theme and go through the themes. Here we installed our plugins in the last video, and here we're gonna want to navigate in the left panel where it says appearance, and it says themes in the first place. So we click it. It's gonna redirect us to the theme installer. It's not that you have to use the free theme. It's also you could buy the theme, premium theme, from any website or anyone you know. There is a good marketplace called themeforest.net, I believe, and you can find there really good themes for the prices with good features. I use the free themes from the wordpress.org directory for my PBNs, the sites that are not as important to me, but the sites that are very important to me, I usually buy theme for them, because I want the theme to be frequently updated. Same story with the plugins, if you remember. If the theme is not regularly updated with ongoing WordPress updates and internet updates and security updates, it's not a really good thing, because it could put you into trouble. I got few sites hacked because of this problem, so I know it's not just any scarcity. So here we want to click on add a new theme here on the blue box, and it's gonna bring us to the wordpress.org theme directory. And it shows the featured themes, the popular themes, and the latest themes. So basically the latest ones are the ones that the people put there, so they are freshly added. The popular ones that are mostly installed and you get it featured are the ones that are featured. What else I would say? Okay, here's the one theme that I'm probably gonna pick now, right now, and it's called Mantra. I used this theme few times in the past, even like 5 years ago. It would be one of my first big themes because it's a really good theme. Yeah, as you see the blog layout when we check the details, this is what we want. It's the blog layout. As you see the full content page. See the paragraph and everything is a full content page. It's not that it's just the excerpts on the page, like the read more excerpts. And I will explain this later in the backlinking module. Why is that? But it has a lot to do with quality and with the authority of the backlink that is linking back to your website, because the backlink gains more choice when it's on the home page. Okay, so now I click activate. And here we have the theme activated and installed and activated on our website. So to customize the theme, easy, you just click here customize and go through all the descriptions and layout of the theme with a sidebar, no sidebar, and stuff like that. It's probably because of my computer being too slow now, or the internet connection again. It's maybe my computer, I don't know. I have to do some maintenance. Okay, here, as you can see, the customization. You can do site identity, colors, header image, background image, menus, widgets, and so on and so forth. You can easily customize it to your needs and what you want to display here. As you can see, we can change this, which is here at the top. Colors, all the colors could be changed. You can just play with it here in the customization. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to waste too much of time in this video, especially since it's kind of getting stuck here. Anyway, the last thing that I want to show you, and that is very important, is to set your permalinks here. Here on the left side panel at the bottom when it says settings, and here at the very bottom of the settings it says permalinks. You click on it. Permalinks is basically how the URL will look like. You see, it's automatically set to day and name, which I don't really need the dates here. It's kind of extra columns that I don't need there, and that really are not doing anything good in this case. Maybe in some case it would, but not in this particular case for when I want to use the website for the PBN or for the blog. So here most of the 99% of the time I check the post name here. So basically your URL will look like this, your website / the name of the post. That's the best way to go about this. So here we click Save Changes. Probably clicked away somehow from there, and it got me to just SEO extensions. Oh yeah, here we are. just set it to permalinks and it'll be fine. Remember, left side panel settings, down permalinks, set it to the post name and click save. Okay. Now that we have all our important plugins and everything, now we want to set up some content, put some content on our website. So we will do it in another video. So thanks very much for watching this, and see you in the next video.